Hey guys, how we doing? So today we're not doing anything Disney. We're doing something super exciting though. So we just found out about these awesome ZURU mini brands. There's 5 mini brands in each package. There's over 100 that you can collect. And
oh, is it 100?
Yeah, we went on a wild goose chase and we found them not in the box, hidden around Target. So if you don't see them in the box, don't give up. But yeah, so let's open them. All right, I guess we'll do one at a time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you...
And then they like pop out, I saw.
Oh,
and then they like,
button?
I think. Here.
Oh.
You need to do it with your hands. Okay. Is it tape on the outside?
Oh, yep, more tape. Holy shit. Yeah, go ahead. Get that tape on. Oh gosh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is nice because
while you get ready, I'm gonna just get this one ready to go.
That
baby swole
is so cute. Oh, wanna do the next one?
oh my god. Okay, yeah.
The risotto.
No, it's teriyaki rice. Teriyaki rice, a baby. Your turn. Get this one ready.
You know, this really is worth the money because...
How much were they?
I paid 20 for 3.
Ain't bad.
No.
20 for 3.
Oh, what's
A
this?
little over.
Oh no, we have something I have to construct.
What?
What is this?
What is that? Is that because there are mystery things? Is that a shelf? Did we get a shelf for them?
Yes.
Oh my god, we got a freaking shelf for them that we have to put together.
Oh,
I didn't know
my
that was
God.
a thing.
This is adorable because it even has little stickers that you put like on the front of the shelf so that you can.
Oh my god,
like,
this is so
barcodes.
exciting.
My turn. Little fucking nice. It's so cute.
It's freaking bacon.
No.
It's Black Label bacon. It's not even real bacon slices, it's bacon crumbles.
Oh, it's super rare. This...
That's a super rare one. We got a super rare. Oh. Show the super rare. Woo!
Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting.
Super rare, super rare. This is awesome. All right, let's do the next one. Is that all of us? This is so fun. This is like totally worth the $20.
Oh my gosh.
So for 15 mini brands, you get, it was $20. Yeah. And I don't think that's bad.
That's not.
And we're getting rare items and we're getting shelf.
Can we check it Walmart too?
Yeah, I think we should go to Walmart later. Oh, we got another shelf!
Yes!
Which we're gonna need more than one, because 15 are not gonna fit on one shelf.
Oh, it's a basket!
No, it's a shopping cart basket! Here. I thought that it was just like more dum-dums. If we get doubles, we'll give them to Riley.
Yeah, yeah.
If she doesn't have them.
Okay.
I didn't know that it was props. I thought it was just gonna be mini pieces.
Yeah. Is that a Pez?
A baby Pez!
No. 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 Freaking no.
Q-tips!
Are you kidding?
God dang it. Look at this. I love how we're just getting like progressively faster at opening them though.
It's just so like.
Oh, we got a different kind of rice. We got, nope, we got the risotto. This is so fun.
I freaking love it. No wonder Riley and Celine are really into these.
It's like the funnest, like, I don't know, mystery thing.
You know what it's kind of like? It's like when you reach into the treasure chest for accelerated reader.
Yeah, it is like that.
Okay. Who went last?
I went last, so your turn.
Better not get done once again.
Mentos! The fresh maker.
So cute.
And I love how it's even like on the back, it's like totally detailed. It's not
crazy to me.
Yes!
Excellent!
Yes! I was wanting like a little like soap product or something.
Yes.
Oh, is it a rare? Is it a rare? Oh! The bar soap! So now we can have the set.
Yes.
Chili. Chili?
Come on.
Alright, last one.
Q-tips again.
Alright,
Okay,
we got Q-tips again. Alright, so we bought 3. We got 15 total, and we only got 2 doubles. So that's not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
I feel good about it.
I feel really good about it.
Really fun.
Really, really fun.
Ooh, they have glow-in-the-dark ones?
Yeah, so we might go back later, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. I know it was a little different than our Disney vlogs, but just thought it was a super fun idea. So thank you again for watching. If you have not yet, please feel free to go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. Thanks, guys.